What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be starting another project. We got a clean slate, so to speak. And we are going to finally be getting started on the Raptor 660. Now this is a 2005, and no matter what your opinion is of it, the reason I'm building this is because it's what I have and it needs to get done, and I would love to be able to finish it and ride it in the snow this winter, but we'll see if that happens or not. So we're gonna go ahead and start laying out parts, see what all we have. It's gonna be a lot and it's gonna be a mess, but we'll see what we have. And some stuff we might reuse, some stuff we might not. The engine's bored out, 5 over, and with a obviously a piston to fit, and we might do cams, who knows, we'll see once we get there. So let's get started. So as you can see, quite a bit of parts, and this isn't even all of them. The wheels are over here. Oh, hello, little blaster. So the wheels are over here. Needs new, we'll get new tires, obviously. The rims aren't too bad. So we have the frame, and the main frame is bent just a bit. The rear subframe looks pretty good, so we're gonna have to work out a bend. Might as well just go over what was wrong with this thing. So the frame's bent a little bit. The stock head was completely trashed. I don't know how well you can see that, but oil starvation. So the head's completely trashed. And I found another head on eBay and was not impressed. So, and the gasket covers, this one was off of eBay, and this doesn't look too bad, but then the other side of it, the head on it, did not look good at all. It was more scoring and all that kind of stuff. So we have hot cams piston, and this is a stock crank. We're going to be replacing this crank. It's got some discoloration and things like that. Just want to make sure that the oil starvation isn't done. So we got to split the cases. Clutch plates look burned up, so we're probably going to be redoing the clutch. So we got a lot going on. We're going to be completely tearing the motor down, all this kind of stuff. So not sure if I want to reuse the old exhaust, like blast it and just put it back on. We'll see what happens. And these are some good arms. We might just repowder coat those. Repowder coating the frame and all that as well. Just not sure what color yet. Maybe I'll do an online vote to see what we come up with as far as the color scheme and all that kind of stuff. So not sure what all we'll find in this. We got to find another head that's decent, and as far as I know, the axle and everything looks good. Probably going to redo the bearings, put a new sprocket on there, obviously clean everything up, and go from there. So leave a comment, let me know what you guys think we should call this build. Not sure what I'm going to call it yet. So besides something to do with the Raptor build. So we'll see what happens and how fast we get it done. We'll see you on the next episode, and We're probably going to start on the engine first. So this is just some of the parts. There's other stuff laying around here. So we're probably going to tear down the engine and see what all's going on with that and rebuild that, get that done. And then we'll probably go ahead and start on the frame. All right, we'll see you next time.